Hey everyone, Dave Darling here. Question for today is, what is the nearest black hole to Earth? Well, that's a problem, isn't it? Because black holes are black, space is black. How are you going to find something that's black in the blackness of space? The way you're going to do it is by trying to observe the effects that the black hole has on its environment. So for example, the black hole might pull in matter from a star that's orbiting around it and then heat this matter up so hot that it glows in X-rays. And in fact, about 24 black hole candidates have been identified in the Milky Way galaxy by this means. But there's another way you might detect a black hole, and that's by the effect it has on the motion of a star that's orbiting around it.
In May 2020, astronomers at the European Southern Observatory announced a new possible black hole located less than 1,000 light years away from Earth. Now, you might not think that's very close. A light year is about 9 trillion kilometres or 6 trillion miles. 9,000 trillion kilometres hardly puts it on our doorstep, but astronomically speaking, 1,000 light years isn't much. You can see quite a few stars in the night sky with your eyes alone that are further away. The middle star in Orion's belt, for instance, Alnilam, is about 1,300 light years away. The new candidate for the closest known black hole lies in a star system called HR 6819, and it's in the southern constellation Telescopium. If you're in southern latitudes on a clear dark night, you can see HR 6819 with your eyes alone. You don't need binoculars or a telescope. Back in 2004, astronomers collected data on this star system in which there are two visible stars. It was a binary star system. One of these stars they were especially interested in learning more about. Then just recently, researchers went back to this old data and made a surprising discovery. One of the two visible stars in HR 6819, it turns out, is wobbling as it moves along, indicating that it has a close companion which can't be seen. This pair orbit around each other every 40 days, and the dark companion has an estimated mass 4 times that of the Sun. Now, the only type of object with so much mass that's also impossible to see is a black hole. This newly found black hole candidate is about 3 times closer than the next nearest known one, an X-ray binary called A062000, which is more than 3,000 light years away in the constellation Monoceros. But is the newfound object really a black hole? Well, we don't yet know for sure. For one thing, there's some uncertainty about its mass. If the visible star it goes around is less massive than astronomers have estimated, then the dark companion would be lighter too, and therefore not necessarily a black hole. Or maybe the companion isn't actually invisible. It's just too faint for its light to have been detected so far. For example, it might be 2 smaller stars that are orbiting around each other. We'll have to wait and see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to catch more of my science and my music, and I'll see you again very soon.